Hello, I'm going to show you how you can use the templates in this resource to help you in creating boom cards. So what I would do is go through, if I want one of these organizers to actually fill the whole screen or fill the whole card, I would go ahead and pick one. And you can see it fills up the space, it fits nicely. And if I wanted to add images up here, say I wanted to have students I don't know, drop and drag things, I could go ahead and resize it and then put it up here. I can duplicate that and then choose another one, duplicate, and then choose something else. And then I could then choose to have this one be the correct answer, these two be the wrong answers, and I could have questions down here. I could just add a text box and say like drag and drop choose the picture that matches the word or something like that. Now this box up here could be used for text. So I would take that, resize it, just make it that just for sake of this tutorial. And then I would put it right there, should make it a little bit bigger. And then there you go. And then the student, when doing the thing, they would then choose the answer here, that sort of thing. Okay. So another way you could use this deck, this resource, is to actually, let's do a new deck, is to choose your own background. So I'm not even going to do it in a template card. I'm just going to do it here to make it a little bit easier. I'm going to add the image and I'm going to add, say I want to do something for students where they would have to put things in order, first, next, then, and last, and so forth. I could use this and then just add images on top that they would then have to maybe just click and drag. Like that. They have to move things around. I can make this a Dropbox. I would just have to make these fillable and so forth, and they can do that. Another idea is you could, this is another white fill one. You would just add an image. Say you want to do something like this, and then, but you also want to design your own things around it. You can then put your directions here, right? And then you can have this here, and then to make this part of a drop zone. Another idea, if you want to, you could also change the background. So those are the white fill ones. These are actually ones with outfill. So if I wanted to change the color, I could just go here and change the color to the background. That's it.